What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Patrice. I'm back again with another video for you guys, and in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys how I maintenance my natural hair. Yes, I went natural a couple days ago. I think it was on Saturday. I think I finally did my big chop because of an accident. I was going to wait longer to do it, but whatever, I just got it over with and I finally did my big chop, y'all. This is the end result, and this is a couple days after I already curled my hair up and stuff. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I maintenance it, and yeah, stuff that I use to got these beautiful curls. So if you guys are interested in this video, please keep on watching. All right, y'all, so this is my hair right now. I had it in for about, I think, 3 days now because I did my big chop. When was I off for? That's Sunday, Saturday. I think I did it Saturday. Yeah, I did it Saturday and today is Monday, so it's only been 2 days. So yeah, y'all, this is what it looks like after I big chopped it, cut all my perm ends off. When I said I cut about this much of my hair off, but it was all straight, but I cut a lot off. And the reason why I did that, let me tell y'all this story. So I have my hair in crochets, like my normal ones that I do, the free twist, deep twist. I have my hair like that. So I was taking my hair out and I happened to cut my hair off. Like I cut a whole braid off, like that much of my hair. So I'm like, now I got this little patch of hair right here. It's not gonna look right when I put it in a ponytail, and I already wanna go natural anyway. So I'm like, you know what? Fuck it, I'm just gonna cut the whole thing off. And I did it, y'all. I cut it off. I cried a couple of times because like it was all my hair. My hair was like down here, and I like cut all of it off. But whatever, I like my little curls or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what all I use in my hair after the big chop, and explaining y'all how I'm gonna take care of it and stuff like that. But yeah, so let's get into this video, y'all. I have my bottle right here. Don't judge me. Up, I know. Don't judge me. I wanted this big bottle right here. I ain't feel like going to the store and buying one, so this is like a cleaning supply bottle. I washed it out real good with hot water, soap, all that. Got it real clean, and then I put water and conditioner in it. Whatever conditioner you normally use in your hair, that's fine. What I do, I just spray it on my hair. I don't feel like touching up my puff because it's fine how it is. So I'm just gonna brush the back because the back was, so this is how I get my curls, y'all. I'm gonna try to move my camera so y'all could really see. So what I'm gonna be also using is this new Eco Styler gel that I just picked up from the my beauty supply store, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, y'all see the plant. Yeah, so it has oh my god, it has cannabis sativa oil in it, black castor oil, and olive oil, and it says for all hair types, moisturizes, neutralizes, protects, add body, shines, alcohol free, flake free, etc. You know, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna bring my camera back. So what I'm gonna be doing now, this is what it looks like. But yeah, this is what it looks like, y'all. And the texture of it is different from the other one. Like, it's really thick. Like, you could like feel it. Like, it's like a different texture from the other Eco Styler gel. So what I do, because most of it is already curly, I'm just showing y'all how I do it. Like, that's how I'll do it. Like, I just grab the ends because, like I said, it's still pretty curly. So after I spray it, I get my gel. I just grab it like right here, and I just twist my finger around. Let it curl up. I just go around doing it same way, just twirling it around. And like how that one look. So yeah, that's how I do it. Grab little pieces and retwist them if necessary. And I'll pull it out, get it like fluff. And after
wash it in my hair again. I'm gonna deep condition it. And I want to use a deep conditioner. I beat up some eggs, bananas, olive oil, castor oil, like all that stuff. I put it in a bowl and I beat it up and I just put it in my hair and it takes like an hour. I rinse it out, use my conditioner shampoo. And yeah, guys, before I forget, these are the conditioner and shampoo that I'm using. But I was only using these because I was transitioning to natural and I like these and they smell so good. Leave my hair so soft, I love them. But I'm gonna switch to natural products now because I did the big chop a couple days ago, so I won't be using those quite often anymore. But yeah, y'all, if y'all want a more like in-depth tutorial on this, like detailed, let me know. I wouldn't mind. Hopefully my hair gets a little longer by then because I think I'm bald-headed. Look at my hair, I was crying, y'all. Like I was really crying, I kept crying. Kept thinking about it and crying. But yeah, I think it's super. So it's looking nice at the top. You see that? But yeah, this is how my natural curly puff looks now. And that's how I do my little maintenance to it when I wake up. And what I'm gonna do now is my edges, if I can find. Yeah, 1 second.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna do my edges now. I normally don't do my edges on camera, but I have a mirror right here.
I'm gonna use it to help me out. Well, and I got this edge brush from my beauty supply store as well too. So let me fix my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. I don't care me no mind. This mirror acting stupid. Okay. This is how I'm gonna do it. That away. And just do that on top. Yeah, this one right here always messes with me. And then I'll just like I'm gonna get some more gel put it on this hair. This is what my edges came out to look like. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope y'all like it. Now I actually love my curly puff. Like I'm rocking it. Like let's be real.
But thank y'all so much for watching this video. I know y'all missed my face. I haven't posted in a while. I know more videos are coming. Be patient and y'all gotta give me ideas so I'll know what to post that y'all would like. So thank y'all so much. Until next time, stay beautiful and be blessed.